Namaste, greetings for the day viewers. Welcome you all to Bistro Bar, a segment of COVID Culinary Craft, an initiative by Vivekananda Institute of Management, a premier hotel and tourism management institute of Gujarat. Bistro Bar. It's a concept where we students are going to show a set of series based on non-alcoholic drinks. In this series, we will be showcasing a series of lots of mocktails which you will be able to prepare seasonal basis in home with the ingredients which are handy in your own kitchen only. So, I am Dinaj Jani, the third year student of the same college, is going to present 3 milk based mocktails. Now, the question is milk? Why so? The answer is very simple. In current scenario, where a pandemic like COVID-19 has taken all over the world, just to prove one single point, which is health is wealth forever. In such scenario, we humankind have to strengthen our immunity by providing as much as nutrition we can to our body. And milk is one of the supplement which will be able to provide lots of nutrition at the same time. So, I would like to share a bit of the information why milk is so important. A milk contains protein as well as vitamin B12 which helps to grow our muscles. Second, it helps with strengthening our bones by providing vitamin D as well as calcium, and it also contains a very valuable minerals like potassium as well as choline, which are vital for our heart's health. The first recipe which I am going to show you is Christmas Mojito. Yes, name is a bit fancy and drink is fancy as well. The ingredients which will be required to prepare Christmas Mojito are 30 ml of lime juice, 30 ml of grenadine syrup, 12 to 15 leaves of mint, and 100 ml of coconut milk. You can also use some of the pomegranate for garnish. For preparing of Christmas Mojito, first we will require a mixing glass. Probably I have mixing glass over here, but you won't have it at home. You can also use any of the normal glasses which are available at your kitchen. Let's start with around 12 to 15 mint leaves and around 30 ml of lime juice. That's why I will be using 2 of the slices. Lime and mint are probably the best combination available in any of the world, in this world, to be frank. Let's muddle them well. Our main motto is to break down the veins of this mint leaves so that the chlorophyll get released and will get a flavor out of it. Yep, fragrance is there, which is a necessity. Now we'll add milk. The approximate quantity which will require is 100 ml. Still, I am pouring it blindly. Done. Now we'll add some ice into it. We are going to prepare this drink with the method known as stir. So, let's start stirring them well. I have shown you a syrup which we are going to use in this preparation, which is grenadine syrup. Now, it is nothing rocket science in grenadine syrup. Grenadine is just a pomegranate juice which is diluted with sugar syrup. That's all, nothing else. Just place juice of grenadine on the stove, dilute sugar in it, and let it simmer for around 15 to 20 minutes. You will get a perfect syrupy consistency out of it. As per the standard recipe, lime is also an essential part of grenadine syrup, but I haven't used it over here. The reason is simple. I am already adding the 30 ml of citrusness in our cocktail, which is more than enough. We don't want to excess it with citrusness in our mouth. That's all. Our mixture is well ready. So let's start with the plating part, or to be frank, let's decorate our drink. I'm using a martini glass over here. Let's pour our grenadine syrup into it. In Bizarras, 30 ml. Now we'll add shredded or crushed ice. The temperature of mocktail is a critical part because several ingredients only gives it flavor while it's cooler, and grenadine syrup is definitely one of them. Now we'll strain our mixture into it to the top. I hope you guys will be able to see the layers in it because the consistency of grenadine syrup is really thick. That's why it's settled on the bottom, while the milk, which is mixed with orange juice and milk extract, are floating on the top. It's a time to make this drink eye-appealing because a drink which looks good, it tastes good definitely. Let's start with shredded ice. We are using a normal lime squeezer over here. Just get as much as shredded ice you can in this lime juice strainer, lime squeezer. Now, once it's set, push it as harder as you can. Now, what will happen? Once you apply pressure in a lime squeezer, it will make a bucket out of it. Little bit. Done. Well, now it's ready. Done. So here's our bucket. Well, placing it on the top of our drink and some pomegranate on the top. The ingredients which will be required to prepare one of the most refreshing mocktail made out of milk, a rose milk, are around 50 grams of beetroot, around 30 ml of rose water, 20 ml of sugar syrup and 150 ml of regular milk. Let's start with the preparation of our second recipe for the day, which is rose milk. It is one of the most lightest drink which you have ever tried. Now, the rose milk is a drink which we are trying from our very childhood. Why? We all have consumed a syrup-based milk drinks in which we just pour a syrup into milk, stir them and have it with the flavor of rose in it. It will be having all the artificial color, artificial thickener as well as artificial flavor. But today, I'll be showing you the most natural way of preparing a rose milk. Let's start with the preparation for the day. Require again a mixing glass. We'll add around 50 grams of beetroot in it. Beetroot, it's a very simple concept. We just want color out of it. Sugar syrup, We'll add around 30 ml. And now natural rose water to provide a flavor which is must in it. We muddle them well till the time we got our required consistency as well as required color. We always consume this rose milk, right? But all of those are very thick. But this will be thin because we are not adding any of the artificial thickener into it. But there is a suggestion. If you really like a thick consistency drink which feels heavier on your palate, then you can add cream into it. The cream will help you out to get that thicker consistency in your drink. Almost done. There we go. A perfect color and fragrance as well. Now we'll add milk into it. Quantity is 150 ml. We'll add some ice. And shake them well. Shaking not only helps to get shaking not only helps us to get our drink on a cooler temperature, but it also helps us to combine all the flavors with each other. I am using a brandy bowl here to pour our drink. There is no use of beetroot now because we have got our required color. And now for a pretty look, I am using ingredients which will be required to prepare our last mocktail of the day, the spicy latte, are around 30 grams of cardamom powder, 30 ml of ginger juice, 60 to 70 grams of vanilla ice cream, and 60 ml of regular milk. The last and final preparation, spicy latte. The name itself represents it. Spicy latte. Latte is the Italian word which literally means milk, and the whole concept is to add a spicy flavors of Indian spices into it. The most favorable spices which I have found are cardamom and ginger. So let's try it out. The process is quite simple. Again, mixing glass, around 30 grams of cardamom powder, 30 ml of ginger juice. Now muddling. I am here using a professional tool, muddler, to grind them well, mix them well. Probably it won't be available at home. I will suggest you to use the normal spoon for the same purpose. Just use the low banded portion to grind them well. Once you're we're done with the grinding. We are adding some of the vanilla. Now, the vanilla is not to provide a perfect vanilla flavor, not only the vanilla flavor, but also to thicker its whole body. And most required around 60 ml. And then ice. Right now it's having a smoothie kind of consistency, but that's not what we are looking for. So we'll shake them well with ice. Done. Perfect. I'm using a champagne saucer over here. This time there is nothing to strain, but still ice is there. Now it's time to garnish our drink. Let's put the mixing glass and the ingredients aside. I'm using a strainer over here, and I just shape it well. That's all for the day. These are the 3 mocktails having milk base, which probably boost your immunity. All the ingredients are handy in your kitchen only. Try it out and sure visit us college once. Be safe, be strong. Cheers.